Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to take a look at the best window replacement companies. What are the best companies when it comes to getting new windows, whether that be brand new windows or if you need to do some window replacements? That's what we're going to be taking a look at here in today's video. Again, what are the best companies in this list here today? Again, if you want to check out any of those companies mentioned here in today's video, you can check out those first links down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which can be a great way to help out and support the channel. Without ado, let's go ahead and dive into the list of, again, the best window replacement companies. And first, kicking off this list, we're going to be taking a look at is this page here, done in partnership with money.com, where we rank and put together the list of the best window replacement companies. And we give you the list of the best replacement window providers so you can get information about the top companies with the latest in style and energy efficient replacement windows. So again, if you want to get access to this page here, it will be up to date no matter when you're watching this video, and it will be that first link down below in the video description. That's BrentValesi.com/best window replacements. Again, that will take you right over to this page here. And kicking off this list here at the number one spot, our number one choice here is Renewal by Andersen. Now, currently, depending on when you're watching this video, certain offers may or may no longer be available. So do just keep that in mind. But right now they have a buy one, get one 40% off plus $200 off your project. And Renewal by Andersen has been in the window game for a long time. They are a full service and window replacement company, and they also offer custom crafted windows and professional installation, and they have a hassle-free process from start to finish with an in-home no obligation consultation, and they've replaced 8.5 million plus windows in over 1 million plus homes. And taking a look, if you click the links in the video description, you can click see details. That will take you over to this page here where you can get a special offer from Renewal by Andersen. Again, they are a full service window and door replacement company. They currently are offering a no money down, no payments, no interest for up to 12 months. And you can get your free consultation today. Again, available at the links in the video description. All you have to do is type in your zip code to get started so that they can match you and get you started with your free quote for your local area and what they are offering. And they do have a minimum purchase of 4. Again, most people doing window replacements are probably going to be hitting that minimum purchase there, but that is the current offer they're offering. It's buy one, get one 40% off plus $200 off your order. They do also have different payment options available. As you can see here, replacing our windows was a pleasant process from the first phone call to the last. Aaron is very knowledgeable and explained the product installation cost, making us comfortable in our decision. Installers were courteous, friendly, and did an excellent job. We replaced 7 windows and are so pleased with the product. As you can see, this is one of their reviews. Source, they do have a no money down, no monthly payments, and no interest process. And in terms of the product, of course, if you're interested, they do have the energy efficiency, so that can help you save on and lowering your utility bills, so you can increase level of comfort as well on the energy efficiency side. You also have a wide variety range of different shapes, sizes, colors, so you can fit the perfect windows for your home. And they have that in-home consultation, so their design team is happy to provide you with their professional opinions and advice. And they do have their products. Again, they are reliable as they've been making homes brighter for over 20 years. Like I said, they've been in the game for a long time, well over 20 years. And they do have good performance, craftsmanship, and a signature level of service. Again, you can upgrade your home with their window replacements. Can be a good way to improve your home and help reduce costs. Again, as you can see, click the link in the video description to get started with the first option. Again, is Renewal by Andersen. They are our number one choice. Now, taking a look at number 2 in this list here today, we have is Window Nation. Now, Window Nation offers currently, at the time of making today's video, is 50% off all windows plus 0% interest for 24 months. And they have 2 million plus windows installed in 200,000 homes. And they block up to 99.9% of UV light. And that's something that you're not going to see necessarily on a lot of older homes and windows that, might not necessarily have the kind of UV light protection and, keeping things not from boiling and getting so hot, or on the vice versa, if it's cold and it's letting some cold air in too. So on that, they also have a 1-day professional install and lifetime warranty, and they have a 5% discount for military and seniors, and they have a minimum of just 3 windows required, so just one less then Renewal by Andersen. If we take a look at see details, this is Window Nation. You can get your free estimate today. All you have to do is enter in your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and zip code, and then you can get your free estimate today. Again, depending on when you're watching this video, certain limited time offers may be available, may no longer be available. Again, the links in the video description are up to date, so you will get the most up-to-date offer no matter when you're watching today's video. In terms of Window Nation, as you can see here, they are local window replacement experts, and that they have over high quality, durable, and affordable with over 1,500 custom window styles and color combinations, and homeowners are sure to find the perfect replacement windows and doors for their homes and budget. Again, they have every project is staffed with a master installer with over 15 years of experience. They have over 2 million windows installed, 200,000 homes serviced with 1,500 style combinations. You take a look here at their one-day professional install. Again, that's going to help your energy efficiency as well as an enhanced home aesthetic with Window Nation. You can see their home, and they have lots of reviews, again, talking about their windows, and people do like their process. Again, it can be an easy shopping process with Window Nation, and they have, help you with the condensation, high energy bills, rotting, warping. Again, that's like kind of the old windows. If that's the kind of issues you're facing, then, getting a window replacement can be a good option for you. And looking at what you may want, again, they have a lot of different styles and designs. You can get your free estimate today, again, available at the link in the video description. Moving in at number 3, we have is Renuity Home. Now, Renuity Home, you can save up to $1,500 plus $0 down for 36 months, and they offer energy efficient window replacement options. They also offer hurricane impact windows for those of you who are in hurricane locations or maybe at hurricane risk. They also have highly trained window installers, and a limited lifetime warranty is included. If you click see details at Renuity Home deals, you can see you can save money with their window replacements, which can help reduce energy bills. More energy efficient window replacement options. Again, you can type in your first name, last name, phone number, email, and zip code to get for your free pricing. Again, depending on when you're watching this video, certain offers may or may no longer be available. But that is, again, they have their window replacement company. Again, replacing the outdated, inefficient, drafty windows out of your home can be a good investment, which can also improve your overall curb appeal. In terms of the styles that they have, they do offer vinyl windows, bay windows, bow windows, casement windows, as well as a double hung and sliding windows. So all different types of window styles and designs in terms of what you're looking for and what fits your home best. They do also have their EcoSky window products as well, and different color options, from different light, white, tans, cherries. Again, they do have an inspiration gallery. You kind of see like, oh, these homes look nice. Maybe what kind of windows I want. Again, you can get a quote today, available through Renuity Homes. Again, available at the links in the video description. Moving along at number 4 in this list here today is Champion. Now, Champion offers windows, sunrooms, home exteriors. You can buy 2 windows and get 2 free, and they are highly customizable with a lifetime guarantee and low interest financing available. And you can get a free in-home consultation and estimate. If you click see details, it'll take you over to this page here, where you can buy. Again, right now the current offer is 2 windows, 2 free. You can get a free quote just entering in your information here, as well as your zip code, and you can then go through the process of designing, building, installing, and getting that guarantee on your windows. Again, customers do find them to be a pretty good option when it comes to their warranties, the factory and the U.S. American made as well on their products. So again, that is Champion. Can be another good option when it comes to replacement windows. Moving in, last but not least in this video here today is Thumbtack. Now, Thumbtack connects you with nearby window installation experts, so it's a little bit different from the other companies mentioned in this list. These other companies are more direct home and window companies that are going to be that direct company that you're working with, whereas Thumbtack, you get access to listed contractors using your zip code, and they directly connect the contractor of your choice or schedule a service, and they are BBB accredited with an A+ rating. Take a look and see details. It will match you up and give you the ability to find a window installer in your local area, and you can type in exactly what you need for your specific project, and then it'll match you with the types of pros built best suited for your specific project. Again, we're talking about windows, primarily window installation, but even within window installations, there's lots of different types of windows, right? Like we talked about in this case, this guy's like, I needed a large double hung window replaced. that was original to the home, so this guy was able to help him out. Again, this is also based on your local zip code, so this is going to give you different options. Some of them have free on-site estimates. Some of them you have to contact for the price. Some of them have a paid estimate, waived if hired, of course. In that case, you would pay and then they're waived. Other ones just offer free on-site estimate, again, waived if hired, if you end up going with them. So that's something that you can consider in terms of the on-site estimates or getting a free quote. Again, this is through Thumbtack, which is going to give you a match for highly recommended pros and experts in your local area. And you can also sort them based on response time, highest rated, most hires recommended. Again, this is all specific to your local zip code, so you need to make sure you enter in your zip code, and then you can search through and find the window installers in your specific area. What are the contractors and pros that are best suited for your market? Again, I also do want to remind you again of our #1 choice, which is Renewal by Andersen. Again, you can check the details in the video description if you do want to check out our #1 choice, which is Renewal by Andersen. Again, guys, hopefully you found this video helpful on the best window replacements and window companies. If you want to get access to this page here, it'll be that first link down below in the video description. That's BrentValesi.com/best window replacements. Guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Again, if you did, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.